Dear students, today we shall continue with the chapter Rational Numbers and Irrational Numbers. Exercise 1C, question number 2. Before starting question number 2, we shall discuss what is the rationalizing factor of an irrational number. Okay, so let's take one example. 7 root 3 is an irrational number. 7 root 3 into what gives us a rational number. So 7 is a rational part and root 3 is an irrational part. So 7 root 3 multiplied by what gives an or is equal to a rational number answer. So 7 root 3 into root 3 is equal to 7 into this root 3 into root 3. We know that root 3 into root 3 value is 3. It's 7 into 3. So already you know that root 2 into root 2 equal to 2. Root 5 into root 5 equal to 5. Root 13 into root 13 equal to 13, etc. So here 7 into root 3 into root 3 became 3. 7 into 3 equal to 21 is a rational number. So root 3 is a rationalizing factor of 7 root 3. Now let's take another example. Root 3 is an irrational number. So what is the rationalizing factor of root 3? Root 3 into what gives us a rational number? That is root 3 into which number is equal to a rational number. Root 3 if you multiply by 7 root 3 is equal to 7 into root 3 into root 3. 7 into 3 into 7 into 3 is equal to 21. Is also a rational number. So we can say that 7 root 3 is a rationalizing factor of 3. Or root 3 can multiply by 3 also. Root 3 into 3, root 3 we can multiply by root 3 into root 3. Same number multiply. Root 3 into root 3 equal to 3. Answer. This is also a rational number. Therefore, root 3 is a rationalizing factor of 7 root 3 or 7 root 3 is rationalizing factor of root 3. Now, let's take another example. Another example is 7 root 3 into what is equal to a rational number. So, 7 root 3 into 2 root 3. Multiplication is 2 rational numbers, that is 7 and 2 rational numbers, 7 into 2. Then root 3 into root 3. Next root 3 into root 3. 7 into 2 answer is 14 into root 3 into root 3 equal to 3. And 14 into 3 equal to 42 is also a rational number. Next 7 root 3 into 5 root 3. Also 7 and 5 rational numbers. 7 into 5. Then root 3 into root 3. 7 into 5 35 into 3 that's equal to 105 is also a rational number. So from all these examples, we can say that the least rationalizing factor of 7 root 3 is 3. First case, rationalizing factor of 7 root 3 is 3. Second case, rationalizing factor of 7 root 3 is 2 root 3. Next, rationalizing factor of 7 root 3 is 5 root 3. From out of these 3 examples, the least factor of 7 root 3 is 3. So many rationalizing factors are there. Now just one thing you notice here, 7 root 3 into root 2 is equal to 7 into root 3 into root 3, root 3 into root 2. That's equal to 7 into root 3 into root 2 answer is root 6. It became irrational number. It's not a rational number. So next example, 7 root 3 into 2 root 5. The 7 into 2, 7, 2 are rational numbers. Root 3 into root 5 irrational numbers. Root 3 into root 5. 7 into 2, 14. 3 into 5, 15. So root 15. Which is not a rational number, which is an irrational number. So when you multiply for finding the rationalizing factor, what is the irrational part? That is same thing you have to multiply. So in 7 root 3 is the irrational number. So same that root 3 must multiply there. Now question number 2 from the exercise. Question number 2, write the lowest or least rationalizing factor of question number 1 of 5 root 2. Solution, since 5 root 2 into 5 root 2 into what? You will get a rational number. You have to think of that one. 5 root 2. Here irrational part is root 2. That's why you are multiplying here root 2. 5 root 2 into root 2 equal to 5 into root 2 into root 2. 5 into root 2 into root 2 is a 2 answer. So 5 into 2, 10, which is a rational number. Therefore, the lowest rationalizing factor of 5 root 2 is 2. We are extra multiplied here root 2. So, now second question, root 24. Since root 24 equal to that split and write, we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then that's equal to these two together. We can take 1, 2 outside of the root, that is these 2 into these 2 and 3. 2 into 3, that will be inside the root. So only one time only, next 2 and 3, that's 1 in root. Then 2 into 3 answer is 6. Then simplified form of root 24 is 2 root 6. Then now you have to find out what is the lowest rationalizing factor 2 root 6. So 2 root 6 into what? It's a rational number. 2 root 6 into roots. Irrational part is root 6. Therefore, we multiply root 6 here. 2 root 6 into root 6 equal to 2 into 6. 2 into 6 equal to 12, which is a rational number. So therefore, the lowest rationalizing factor root 24 is root 6. Now third question, 5 minus 3. Since the lowest rationalizing factor of the above third is its conjugate, root 5 minus 3 into root 5 plus 3. Given question is root 5 minus 3. So root 5 minus 3. So you have to write the conjugate of the given third. Conjugate means opposite. So here it is minus and we are right here opposite sign, it is plus. Root 5 minus 3 into root 5 plus 3. This is coming in the formula form a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b formula answer is a square minus b square. Only difference is minus and plus signs. First terms both same only and second terms also equal same. Then we'll write answer is a square minus b square. Now this case also first place both case it is root 5, second place 3. Only difference is in plus and minus sign. Then answer will be first place number or term square minus second place number or term square. So root 5 minus 3 into root 5 plus 3 equal to root 5 square minus 3 square. Root 5 square means the square and root cutting, the answer is 5. Or root 5 square means root 5 square meaning is root 5 square means root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5 already you know that it is 5. So root 5 whole square equal to 5 we can write. Then minus and 3 square answer is 9. 5 minus 9 equal to minus 4 is a rational number. Therefore the lowest rationalizing factor of root 5 minus 3 is root 5 plus 3. Root 5 minus 3 is root 5 plus 3. Now next question number 5, root 18 minus root 50. So first you have to simplify root 18 and 50. Root 18 means 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 into 3 into 3 means 18, or 9 into 2 also 18. Root 50 we can write 2 into 25 or 2 into 5 into 5. Now see here 2 times 3 in root, that will when you simplify 1 3 will be outside and 2 is one time only, that is in root 2. So first time we can write 3 root 2 minus then 5 here 2 times, that is outside one time we are writing, inside the root only one time, that 2 is here. Now 3 root 2 minus 5 root 2 answer is minus 2 root 2. 3 minus 5, you know that the answer 3 minus 5 means minus 2. And root 2, 3 root 2 minus 5 root 2 answer is minus 2 root 2. Minus 2 root 2. Now find out what is the least rationalizing factor of minus 2 root 2. minus 2 root 2, smallest or lowest rationalizing factor minus 2 root 2 equal to 2 root 2. So what is the irrational part? Root 2 here. So multiply root 2 here. Minus 2 root 2 into root 2 equal to minus 2 into root 2 into root 2 became 2. So minus 2 into 2 equal to minus 4, which is a rationalizing number. Minus 4 means it is a rational number. Therefore, the lowest rationalizing factor of root 18 minus root 50 is root 2. So here what we multiplied extra, that is the rationalizing factor. Now question number 9. Number 9. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Since the lowest rationalizing factor of the above third is its conjugate. Its conjugate means given question is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. So its conjugate means this plus change and we will put a minus. So 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 into 3 root 2 minus, this is question, what is the question? That conjugate is a minus with a minus sign. If here it is minus means we will put here a plus sign. And product form. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 into 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Only difference is plus minus sign. So now this is like which formula? A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, answer is a square minus b square. Means first place 3 root 2 and a's place 3 root 2 and b's place 2 root 3. And a square minus b square, how will you write it? 3 root 2 all square minus 2 root 3 all square. Formula is a square. A place 3 root 2. Then a square became 3 root 2 all square. Now in formula minus sign. Minus sign here b square. B place means 2 root 3. B square became 2 root 3 all square. So a square minus b square form. Now expand and write, simplify the answer. 3 root 2 all square means first 3. The rational number 3 squaring. That's written 3 square into next irrational part root 2. Root 2 square means root 2 square minus, now here also 2 squaring. 2 square into root 3 square. Now 3 square means it is 9. Root 2 square means 2 minus 2 square, answer is 4 into root 3 square means it is 3. 9 into 2 answer is 18 minus 4 into 3 12. So 18 minus 12 equal to 6, which is a rational number.